we're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, just right outside of Nashville. Our number is 615-641-7720. Today we're going to be looking at the Argo Frontier 700 8x8 with a V-twin engine. This unit comes with a VX 700 V-twin engine. We have a EFI fuel system and a fan cooling system. We have hooks mounted on the front, along with our 8x8 drive system. We have beadlock steel rims and 25-inch Argo XT115 tires. We have our front lights. We have our exhaust, along with our cup holder, seating and storage space in your back. We have our steering controls, lights, ignition, and hour meter. This unit has 8.5 hours, along with Argo's Progressive Steering. We have a capacity of 6 people for land and 4 people for water. We have the back mount, along with our brake lights. We have our fuel tank with a capacity of 8.5 gallons. This unit also comes with a reduced underhood temperature, hydraulic service brakes, along with hydraulic steering brakes, and an instant torque clutch. Once again, this is the Argo Frontier 700 8x8 with a V-twin engine. If you are interested in this unit or any other unit we have online, please give us a call at 615-641-7720.